morning. Have a look on Twitter, see you've posted a picture of juice. It looks pretty green, I can tell that you're keen because you blended up a bunch of leaves, then took a picture of it. Now you're hashtag healthy, eating clean. You don't need to tell me, I've always known that kale's an excellent source of vitamin C. Don't talk to me about trends, cause I know that you love the leafy greens, just pretend. Go and eat quinoa with your peers, cause I've been eating kale for years. Your knowledge of veg amounts to zero. Back in Whole Foods they call me Cavolo Nero. You can find me in the store, standing by the veg aisle eating it raw, cause I appreciate its slightly bitter flavour, and its tough stem is something I savour. Add leafy greens to your veg box, cause kale is for life, not just for your detox. Don't talk to me about trends, cause I know that you love the leafy greens, just pretend.